Howdy everybody. So I thought I'd do something really interesting, fun, because something that I used to love I can never find, and if I can't find it in the store, that means I have to make it. But used to love frozen yogurt. Well, I have my own standard of what frozen yogurt is supposed to be, and it's not really hard to make. It's just a pain in the neck because you have to put it all together and then stick it in the freezer. And really, it needs to be in the freezer overnight. So I don't want to add a lot of junk to my frozen yogurt. So what I like to do, because I want to taste the fruit, I'll add fruit to it when I dish it up. So it's whole fruit, or cut up fruit, instead of just like all put through the blender, or in this case food processor. I just find a food processor is going to do a better job. I'm going to push my luck and see how much stuff I can fit in this food processor. But anyway, so yesterday I went to the store and I found me about 5, there were actually 6 not huge bananas that were definitely ripe, getting close. Not quite like banana bread turn, but definitely ripe enough to eat. So I sliced them all and put them in the freezer, so they're like one solid chunk. And somehow we're gonna get these in here. Well, this isn't gonna work. Maybe now. Alright. I got bananas everywhere. Alright. That's gonna work. Clean up here a little bit. Grab a towel. I'm back. So, when I mix this, I want to start mixing stuff all together. And so what I want to add, and everyone goes, ooh, yucky pooey. But you gotta have some sugar. You need to bring out the sweetness. And it's really about getting the right consistency when you make this. So I actually have half a cup of sugar. I need about 2 tablespoons of corn syrup, and I know everyone else is going, oh no, but really, trust me. So I need 1, 2, and I hate measuring this when I don't have to, because you never get it off the spoon, right? And this is the fun part. You want honey. Honey is really good. You can put like an endless amount of honey in just to keep the consistency. I want a little more than a 1/4 cup, so I'm saying up to 1/3 of a cup. This is 8 ounces of honey. So, you do the math, less than half. And what I love about this, it's orange blossom honey. So we're going to add some good flavor. Yep. Perfect. And at the same time, I want to keep this really basic. Now you can add any kind of flavoring you want. I just want a little vanilla in it because, like I said, this is going to be the base. And it's funny, you're like, why are you making banana frozen yogurt? Banana is really for the texture, not for the flavor. So what I need to toss in here is about a tablespoon of vanilla. Alright, so I just want to start getting this kind of mixed up. So let me just do a couple pulses, okay? Ready? Here we go. Okay, now I've got this. There's some that's not all mixed, but we've got enough of it mixed that it's going to work. And so what I have is 2 cups of Greek yogurt. You want to get like the highest fat content possible because yogurt has a lot of water in it and it will really get watery wet. That's why you need the banana for consistency. Spatulas are your friend. Just clean this up a little bit. Here we go again. Consistency is really good. I will edit this down because this is way too much. Finally. All right. So, this is what it's going to look like. It's really creamy. It's really good. You don't taste, I don't taste any of the flavoring I put in there. So, the moment of truth. You can't stand the truth. I'm gonna have to scoop some of that out because I'm afraid it's below the level of the hole in the middle. So let's see if I can't do this. Is that not beautiful? Ooh. I always want to take the blade out. Very sharp. Stay away from the edge. It's really nice. So, note to self, somehow I need to take out the bananas a little sooner. Didn't realize what a pain they were going to be. But the end result is going to be really awesome. Okay. So we got it all nice and smoothed up. I wish I could describe that for you. There's all this like texture, almost like just mouthfeel and taste coming through, but you can't really put your finger on it. But you get the tartness of the yogurt, you get the sweetness of everything else, and when we freeze this, the banana is going to make all the difference. So what I did, cut a piece of parchment paper. Let's see if I can't just set this right on top. We don't want to get ice crystals all over it. Seal it up. So this is going to go in the freezer overnight for sure. And then we're going to see what it looks and tastes like. I'll be back in another video to show you what else we can do with this. Have a great day. See you soon.